Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that can help you make $400 plus per month working from home. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, FreeUp.net. FreeUp is a marketplace for work-from-home jobs ranging from $10 to $75 per project. The company posts hundreds of freelance jobs weekly for different industries. To get started, you need to do the application, and they manually review application to decide if you should be let in. Should you not hear from them after a couple of days, you can email them to inquire about your application. There are 2 emails on their website, but I will also link them down below. Once you have passed, they give you access to their culture and community course, which shares the company's values. This course is important for the interview, so you should go through it. Plus, they do ask you a couple of questions at the end of the course to see if you really went through the course. After answering these questions, they invite you to an interview. The whole application process is really thorough, but once you're inside, you will have access to a number of jobs. For the interview, they don't really expect you to prepare because as a freelancer, you will be doing different jobs, but you should talk about your experiences, either in industries you're interested in or your general experience about working online. Half the time, you will know at the end of the interview if you got in or not, but sometimes they decide only after the interview, and then they send you an email notifying you if you got in or not. You can get paid via Payoneer or PayPal. They bill all the hours you worked that week and pay you weekly. FreeUp is very flexible when it comes to communicating with your clients. You can even communicate with them outside the platform, maybe WhatsApp or Facebook or even Instagram or Telegram if that's what they prefer. But please don't accept any payment or submit any work outside the platform because some people are not trustworthy and they may exploit you or they may never pay you. These are some of the jobs you can choose from. I have noticed that some companies are never ready to receive a large number of workers. There is this website I recommended a few weeks back and it crashed when more people started applying. And then there is another one that emailed me and thanked me for mentioning them because they got a spike of applications. So I suggest you apply to this one as well as soon as you see this video to be on a safer side. Number 2, tester reviews. Tester reviews pay their testers up to $12 per hour for helping companies solve applications related issues or concerns. As a tester, you'll be expected to list a number of errors if there are any, so that the company can be able to fix those bugs before releasing the application to the public or improve the application in general. This company has tested over 13,000 applications worldwide and they continue to hire people globally. Like many other similar sites, Tester Reviews also has an option for taking short studies, answering certain questions to help companies you are testing for get a deeper understanding about a certain worry or topic. If you have never done testing before, you may get confused on what to do when testing despite seeing the instructions. Tester Reviews has this section on their website where you can read through and be familiar with the kind of tests you may come across. These are some of their old tests. To apply, you simply register using this short form. No skills or experience required. They don't even need you to be 18 years or older. They never ask you to upload your ID, nor do they ask you to take an entrance test. Once you have signed in, you may see what looks like a study, but when you click on it, they tell you there are no studies available. This is very common when you've just signed up, but as days go by, you start receiving email invitations for different studies, and they pay within 24 hours of taking each study via PayPal. Number 3, TutorOcean. This is a tutoring platform that allows you to teach students in 100 plus countries worldwide, and you can teach multiple subjects. The website is similar to Preply. You have to customize your profile to attract students. So flex your skills, your previous experiences, or even your grades. You can teach both online or in person if there are students around your area. I was actually kind of disappointed when I was checking tutors by location and I couldn't find any South African tutors. I don't know if maybe most people don't know about this website, but I kind of felt better when I saw some Kenyans and Nigerians representing. So if you've never heard about this website, you should definitely check it out. There are no requirements or interviews except of course knowing the subject you want to teach. Number 4, YebTutor.com. This website pays you to only teach mathematics from low level to high level. In order to get started, you have to pass at least one proficiency exam, either in low level or high level. And once you have passed, you have to do a demo lesson, basically mimicking an actual lesson. They pay via direct transfers or PayPal. Working for these companies on a consistent basis can allow you to make $400 or more per month, and that's if you are not getting as many gigs. Some people are able to make this much or more within a week, but to be realistic, I'd say aim for this much in a month. So if you're interested, go ahead and apply. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can.